Hello everyone, welcome to Mandarin I class at Nido. This course is a fundamental Chinese course for students who have not learned Chinese before. In this course, we will learn Chinese pinyin system, we will learn how to write simplified Chinese characters, and some basic Chinese sentence structures. Topic will cover greetings in Chinese, self-introduction, China the country, shopping in China, time and the weather, eating in China. Learning of the Chinese language is led by knowing of Chinese culture and perspectives. We have routine read out loud at the beginning of every class, introducing interesting things happening in China related to the unit's topics. Sometimes it could be an ancient story, and sometimes it's a poem. Also, in year 1, students may have the opportunities to learn how to make Chinese food and to go on a field trip to a Chinese cultural site here in Santiago. Here are some photos of my current Mandarin I students enjoying Chinese food. And this part shows a student acting out a shopping experience in a fake Chinese supermarket.
你好吗？我很好，你呢？我也很好。你要买什么？我要买6个葡萄。好的，葡萄多少钱一斤？100块钱一斤。不行，太贵了，便宜点吧。我的是最好的，这天60，我买了。
Okay, thank you. Hope to see you in my class.